Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're diving into the process of replacing a smartphone screen. Before we start, make sure you have all the necessary tools ready: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a suction cup. If you don't have these tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Let's get started. First, turn off your smartphone completely to avoid any electrical issues during the repair. Next, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located around the perimeter of the device. Be sure to keep these screws organized, as they can be easy to lose. Once the screws are removed, take the plastic opening tool and gently insert it between the screen and the back cover. Carefully slide it around the edges to detach the adhesive without damaging the internal components. If you encounter resistance, double-check to ensure all screws have been removed. If this feels overwhelming, remember we provide professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you assess if you want to proceed with the repair. After you have successfully separated the screen from the back, carefully lift it away. You may see flex cables connecting the screen to the motherboard. Use your tweezers to gently disconnect these cables. Pay attention to the orientation and position of each connector, as you'll need to reconnect them later. Now, let's clean the internal components. Use a soft brush or a can of compressed air to remove any dust or debris inside the device. This step is crucial as it prevents any particles from getting trapped when you attach the new screen. Next, take your new screen and align it with the device. Reconnect the flex cables, ensuring they are firmly in place. If you want to avoid the hassle of doing this yourself, remember, we offer a quote before repair, so you'll know the cost up front. Once the cables are reconnected, gently press the new screen into place, making sure it fits snugly against the frame. To secure it, replace the screws you previously removed. It's important to tighten them evenly to avoid putting stress on the screen. Now, before sealing everything up, turn on the device to check if the new screen is functioning properly. If the screen lights up and responds as expected, you're almost done. If you prefer, we can pick up your device and deliver it back to you once it's repaired, so you don't have to worry about any travel or calls. If everything looks good, carefully apply adhesive around the edges of the device and press the back cover into place. Make sure all edges are sealed to protect the internal components from dust and moisture. Finally, take a moment to ensure everything is securely fastened, and your smartphone screen replacement is complete. This process not only saves you money but also gives you a great sense of accomplishment. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.